So this is a tutorial video where I'll be demonstrating how to calculate the percentages of given decimal numbers, and you can see here that we are in fact dealing with decimal numbers. Okay, so this is going to be demonstrating a written method. I will though be using a calculator for a certain part of the process. So what we want to do here really is convert all the numbers to fractions, and it'll be a multiplication equation. I'm going to go 35%, well that's 35 over 100 as a fraction. The of means to multiply, and 88.4 I'm going to put over 1 so it becomes a fraction for the time being. So now I go 100 times 1, so it's denominator times denominator, so that equals 100. And now I need to calculate 35 times 88.4, and that is where the trusty calculator comes in handy. So it's 35 times 88.4. We multiply it, so it's 3094. So 3094. And now we're nearly finished. We just have to divide 3094 divided by, that's what the fraction bar means, 100. So where is the decimal point? Well, it's here, and we're going to divide, so the decimal point is going to move to the left to make the face value of 3094 less than it is now. And we move to the left how many spaces? Well, the 100 tells us it's going to be 1 space to the left, 2 spaces to the left because there are 2 zeros there. So 1, 2. So the decimal point now ends up here. So the answer is 30.94. Let's have a look at the second one. So 19% becomes 19 over 100 as a fraction. The of means to multiply. And then we just take this amount here, 6005.2, and put it over 1. And now 100 times 1. 100 times 1 is 100. And we have to multiply 19 by 6005.2. So we use our calculator again. 19 multiplied by 6005.2. And that equals 114,000. 98.8. Okay, now for this one, the decimal point is there. So great. It's not a big deal. In fact, it's kind of helpful. I still am going to be going to the left to make the face value and the place value of this number much smaller. It's going to go to the left. The decimal point is going to go to the left. 1 space, 2 spaces. 1, 2. So the final answer becomes 1140.988. And there you have it.